What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now, I have a awesome screen protector from the folks over at Whitestone Dome. I wanted to thank them for sending this over. Great people being part of the video. I want a big shout out to them. This is the premium screen protector, the dome glass, and I'm going to show you how to install this on this Pixel 7 Pro because you want to protect this screen. Got a new design, some updates from the Pixel 6 Pro. This Pixel 7 Pro should be an awesome device to install an awesome screen protector like the Whitestone Dome. So we're going to get into it. We're going to open up this package, take a look at and see what's inside. All right, so you got all your materials laid out. The first thing you want to do is you want to power off your device completely off, and then you want to take these 4 stickers here and you want to put them on all 4 sides. And this, what it does, it protects any glue from getting any kind of openings or anything like that. So you want to put it on all 4 sides. All right, once you put the stickers on all 4 sides, as you see here, very simple. You're simply going to take your little wet wipe here and you're going to wipe down your device. Now, I just got this device and I'm pretty much putting this from box to screen protector, but I did make a couple videos, so it is a little, you know, got some smudges and stuff on there, but you just want to wipe it down real good with the microfiber cloth. Then you want to dry it off with your microfiber cloth like this. Very easy. Get all nice and dry. And then you take your dust absorber sticker here. That there. Okay. And then you kind of just make sure there's no dust on your device. And we'll probably do this again once we put it inside the guide. All right, then you want to take your guide and you want to put in these little glue absorber pads and put it here in your guide on each side so that it protects your device from getting any kind of glue in any openings. All right, then you grab your guide and you simply just pop your Pixel 7 Pro into the guide like that. That's so it doesn't fall out when you're doing it. It's very easy. It's not going to damage it or anything. Then you take your speaker sticker here. That way it protects the speaker, and you put that simply here at the top like this. It's very minimal, so you know you're kind of putting it in the right place because you know you'll be able to fit your guide holder here, and that simply just goes like this. Boom. And then what you want to do is you probably want to wipe it down again because we got a little action all over it. You know what, I'm going to go with the wet just to make sure everything's off like that. And I'll come in with the dust absorber sticker. And that should be good to go. That's the biggest key to doing this right. All right, now I zoomed in a little bit so you guys can see what's going on. You're gonna take your little bridge here and you're gonna put it right there. Okay, and then you're gonna grab your little glue there and you wanna do the pink top and then put it here. And then you're gonna let out the glue, okay? And you unscrew the black, and the glue is going to go on top of the device. And you want the glue to kind of come out for a good 30 seconds or so to make sure all the glue comes completely out. All right, once the glue comes completely out, you can remove your bridge with your glue. Put that to the side. And you want to put your little tab here. Whoop, there you go. You want to put your little tab here, goes here at the top, so that you can hold your screen protector. Then you want to grab your screen protector here, and that is the back, okay? So what you want to do is you want to pull that off the back completely, and then place it down on the edge here, and then let it sit on the little tab there. Okay, now what you want to do, this is kind of like a one-stop shop here. You want to push down on your guide so that the glue goes completely to the center. There's 2 arrows on each side. That's telling you to let the glue go there, and then you pull your tab. So we're going to go ahead and pull it down. And it depends on your table. You want to make sure it's completely in the center. I'm going to put it right there. Pull your tab. Boom. You are good to go. And what you want to do is you want to let your glue kind of spread through the whole device. You're probably going to have to wait like 30 to 45, maybe a minute and a half, so that the glue is completely all from top to bottom all over the device. All right, Whitestone Dome's always improving their accessories, and this is actually Type C. So you want to use this, you want to do 15 seconds to the top, 15 seconds to the middle, 15 seconds to the bottom. Go ahead and hit your button right there. All right, after you've done 15 seconds to the top, middle, and bottom, you want to go ahead and take out your tab there, and then you want to pop out your device very carefully. And then you're simply going to wipe it down. You want to go in one direction all the way around the device. Now the next thing you want to do is something I do with these phones that have this fingerprint in display reader. You kind of want to just push down here for like 30 seconds to kind of get a impression of your fingerprint. You want to use your UV light, do 60 seconds on the top, 60 seconds on the bottom, and you want to do it 2 times. 60, 60, 60, 60. All right, then you're going to take off your little glue stickers here, or protectors. Take those off. Very simple. Then we're going to power this on so we can reset the fingerprint, or see if the fingerprint actually works with the previous fingerprint. It should work. Whitestone Dome is pretty good when it comes to screen protectors and fingerprint readers. They have made their glass a little thinner for the fingerprint readers. So we're going to go ahead and put in the code first because I had the phone off. And then we're going to try out the fingerprint reader and see if it works on Whitestone Dome. Boom. That works pretty good for having a screen protector on there. That is not bad. And just so you know, I will cover the camera here for the face unlock, so you're not getting twisted and telling me that I am using the face unlock. As you can see there, it is working perfect. And I will say that this is, once again, a really good installation by the one and only. So I definitely recommend Whitestone Dome. I think they are an excellent screen protector for your device. It has saved my wife's phone numerous times and my phones over and over again. So I highly recommend it. And yeah, that's going to do it. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming. But yeah, the Whitestone Dome installation for the Pixel 7 Pro is on deck.